name's Billy Kingsbury and I'm the CEO of ThyssenKrupp Materials UK. I'd like to start by thanking you for my award as one of the top 100 manufacturers in the UK. At ThyssenKrupp Materials UK, we offer a wide range of products and services, from supply of stainless steel, aluminium and carbon steel, through to additional services such as fully fabricated parts, welded and even assembled finished products. In line with our Materials as a Service strategy, we're also able to help our customers reduce inventory and cost by offering digital solutions and utilising our expertise in material supply chains and logistics. I'm extremely proud and happy to be recognised as one of the top 100 manufacturing leaders. I think it's a really positive campaign and it's great to receive recognition, especially after such a challenging year. From my point of view, the campaign provides an excellent opportunity to increase our network, and in particular I've reached out to several other top 100 manufacturers as part of my LinkedIn network and look forward to getting to know them and discuss business with them in the future. Manufacturing is an interesting, varied and highly rewarding industry. The achievement of making finished products ready for use in various different applications is highly rewarding. Manufacturing also gives us a variety of opportunities to produce products that can help to improve our world in various different ways. The biggest challenge in my career has undoubtedly been the COVID-19 pandemic. At the time the pandemic hit, ThyssenKrupp Materials UK took the decision to merge two businesses. This merger required the creation of a completely new structure and also required the alignment of two very different cultures. Whilst this was an extremely challenging environment, this did allow us to develop new ways of working and create an extremely flexible organisation. To address the challenges in the manufacturing industry, companies need to focus on digitalisation and automation. Currently the UK is behind on adapting robotics and automation in comparison to our European counterparts, and this is an important focus area. Another important focus area is sustainability, and ThyssenKrupp Materials UK, like a lot of other companies, is firmly committed towards achieving carbon neutrality by 2030. As a global organisation, we are firmly committed to working in the most sustainable way possible and to helping our customers by streamlining their supply chain. It's extremely important that we work to maximise our sustainability policies, at the same time minimising the costs involved. We have seen major instability across global supply chains. More and more customers are looking for a partner that can help to solidify their supply chain and offer various services from one source. This is why we've adopted our Materials as a Service strategy. Our global reach and expertise allow us to manage complex supply chains and minimise the risk involved to our customers. The manufacturing sector is a great place to be if you want to challenge yourself. 10 to 15 years ago, manufacturing was seen as not being particularly attractive and perhaps a little old-fashioned. However, I think that's changing as we are going digital, automating more and focusing on sustainability.